In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template link in Canva. If you've ever wanted to share a design so others can make their own copy without touching your original, a template link is exactly what you need. It's perfect for teams, clients, classrooms, or anyone who needs a starting point they can customize safely. Start by opening the project you want to share as a template. Make sure it's the version you're happy for others to duplicate. This can be a presentation, a social post, a flyer, anything you've designed. Once your project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This opens the sharing panel, which is where Canva gathers all the ways you can distribute your design. In that panel, find the Share section and click See All. This expands the full list of sharing options so you're not limited to the default choices. From the expanded options, select Template Link. This is the specific option that creates a link designed for duplication rather than direct editing of your original file. Next, choose Create Template Link. Canva will generate a unique link for your design that, when opened, prompts the recipient to use it as a template. That means they'll get their own editable copy while your original remains unchanged. This is the key benefit of a template link. It protects your work while making it easy for others to build from it. Once the template link is created, you can share it with other people. Just use that link anywhere you communicate, inside your project documentation, in a course, or within your team's tools. When someone opens it, they'll be guided to create their own version, so they can personalize text, colors, images, and layout without affecting your source file. A few quick tips to make your template shine. Before creating the link, tidy up your design so it's clear and easy to use. Add placeholder text where customization is expected, rename pages clearly, and check that your fonts and colors are consistent. If there are elements you don't want changed, ensure they're set up the way you intend, and keep any instructions short and visible inside the design, like a small note on the first page that users can delete after reading. And that's it. You opened your project, clicked Share, selected See All, chose Template Link, created the link, and shared it. With this simple flow, you give others a professional, reusable starting point while keeping your original safe and intact.